If you hear this sound from your toilet tank, that means you are losing a lot of water. It is because your toilet tank is clogged with the calcium deposits from the water. So you need to clean the toilet tank, and I will show you how to clean it. The items you need to clean your toilet tank is baking soda, vinegar, and a bottle brush. First thing you need to do is close the valve. After closing the valve, flush the tank and empty the tank. When the tank is almost empty, there may be a little bit of water in the bottom. That is okay. Now add 2 or 3 cups of baking soda, and after that add 2 or 3 cups of vinegar. Adding baking soda, you can also put it in this hole over here. Now I am going to add vinegar. So the baking soda and the vinegar will react over there, and you can come back after maybe 15 minutes, give a swish with the bottle brush. Now using a bottle brush, open the flapper and clean the hole over here too. So after cleaning, open the water valve. After opening the water valve, flush it. Flush it. Fill the water tank again couple of times and flush it out. Now there is no more hissing sound. Now you can see that there is no more sound from the water tank, and the water is not moving at all. It is very calm and quiet. That means there is no more leak. The toilet tank is very clean. So I recommend that you clean the water tank once in a while with baking soda and vinegar.